After 2 days of intense hard work by Anjuna Police Station staff under the leadership of Inspector Prashad and SDPO Dibba Dalvi, we have busted a international trafficking racket who were involved in flesh trade. We have rescued 5 victim ladies who are basically of Kenyan nationality. They have been arrested under different sections of law. We have registered a case under section 370 IPC 370A, read with 34 IPC and section 4, 5 and 8 of Immoral Traffic Prevention Act. The way they were actually manipulated was like their passports were taken away by these accused and they were not allowed to go out, and these passports were not given back to them. Hotel in which they were staying, which was found to be Cosmos, Julie Jali. So we will take necessary legal action against this hotel as well, and whatever legal action as far as police is concerned also will be taken against this their management as well.